Every day, with the advancement of technology, the content creation process becomes more easier. But today, with the help of artificial intelligence, that is easier than ever. Hello everybody, what's up? This is Mehdi from GR Tutorial Studio and welcome to this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. AI content creation is increasingly becoming a valuable tool for marketers, publishers, and content creators, enabling them to produce high-quality contents more efficiently and at scale. AI content creation refers to use of artificial intelligence technologies to generate or assist in creating various types of content, including video, text, images, audio, and more. In short, the way these artificial intelligence work is that you must first provide a prompt. Then, the artificial intelligence will try to understand your needs based on provided prompts, and then create some contents according to prepare your needs. Using AI content creation refers several benefits that can enhance productivity, creativity, and effectiveness in content-related activities. Let's take a look at some of the key advantages of AI content creation. AI operates 24/7 without the needs for breaks, and they are available at any time every day. This feature allows you to have continuous workflow. Also, AI can generate content quickly, resulting you can optimum the time. AI can reduce the costs, but not zero. You need for a smaller team to content create. It's a key benefit especially for businesses that have recently been established. AI can assist in brainstorming and generating new ideas. In other words, AI serves as a creative partner and offering suggestions. In my opinion, the most important advantage of AI creation were the ones I said. But of course, there are other advantages such as AI can adapt content in real time based on user interactions. Content remain relevant and engaging. The AI generated content is original and does not infringe on copyright property. However, in this case, be sure to read rules and conditions of the AI that you want to use, and also platform that you want to publish the generated contents on. In general, we have a process for completing the content using artificial intelligence, which is as follows. Identify your content needs. Choose the right AI tools. Input data and provide prompts. Combine AI with human creativity. Customize and edit output. While AI content creation offers several benefits, it also has several disadvantages and limitations that users should be aware of them. You may need to edit some of the AI output yourself to get the output you want. Artificial intelligence lacks emotional understanding and cannot provide emotions that humans bring to content creation. And don't forget, over-relying on AI for content creation may lead to a decline in human creativity and skills. As a content creator or designer, you should not depend on output produced by artificial intelligence. At the end, as a summary, it can be said that artificial intelligence can find its place in your workflow. This can reduce the cost and time of content creation, but not zero. You have to spend time to reach the output you want. Among different artificial intelligence, you can work with several of them to find the best one for you. For this, do not neglect their free subscription. Now this is the end of this tutorial, and thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. At the end, don't forget to like this video.